Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I've personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we can see, we have had a significant decline over the past few weeks over this festive period, as we have seen ourselves seeing Bitcoin having a retrace, and obviously when Bitcoin retraces, the whole market tends to have a fall to the downside unless it's having some kind of crazy move of its own. But generally speaking, all of our large altcoins will be following what Bitcoin's doing, and we can see here that this is no exception at all. Bitcoin obviously has been having a bit of a bearish market structure here. We were grinding our way to the upside for a prolonged period over the course of November and December, and I did say that considering these huge bearish divergences that we were putting in, it was quite likely that we were going to see ourselves have a retrace, a turnaround and a decline to the downside. You can see here Bitcoin did do that, eventually breaking down from that support trend line, having a bit of a chop here and then coming down and retesting towards the lows again. The lows here being at around 92k in an area of a decent amount of demand previously. You can see this area we have bounced at quite a few times here. But as I said in my previous videos, I do think it's likely that Bitcoin could see a decent retrace towards 80k and maybe even further, depending on how much of a retrace that we do get. There's a ridiculous amount of liquidity here and gaps in the market really that do need to be filled. And you can see here, Polygon has basically followed suit with Bitcoin's price action, as you would expect. As I said, everything is highly correlated to Bitcoin when it is falling, and generally speaking, when Bitcoin has a drop, everything else will have a bigger drop. Altcoins do tend to drop. If Bitcoin drops 10%, altcoins will drop 20 or 30%. You can see Polygon here has dropped a significant amount from the local swing high up here around 75 cents, sorry, dropping down to a low here of 41 cents before bouncing back up here to 50 cents. You can see that we have a very nice 50%-ish retrace of this impulse to the upside, as you often see in crypto, to have a nice retrace before another impulse. I do think Polygon is still looking good for a nice move back up towards that $1 area pretty soon, provided that Bitcoin plays ball. Altcoins looking like they're all getting primed for another big move to the upside in the future. But right now we just need to see Polygon, not dropping too much and losing a lot of the momentum that it's made recently. Huge amount of momentum after coming from this area down here below the bear market swing low, grabbing that liquidity below before having a really impulsive nice move to the upside from around 30 cents up to this level of 75 cents, breaking through all these levels of resistance, as you can see, testing all these key levels, moving up through the levels very nicely indeed. And now, as we can see, forming this descending wedge type pattern, which is a continuation pattern, just like a lot of altcoins are doing. Pretty much every altcoin that I've looked at is forming up similar to this. They're all highly correlated at the minute, as we have seen all kinds of cryptos looking exactly the same as this. I bet if I look at something like Cardano, it's looking very similar in terms of the potential pattern here. You can see that pretty clear and obvious descending wedge pattern, which is a continuation pattern, potentially breaking out today to the upside if it plays ball. But as we can see, Polygon also doing the same. We could be looking at a breakout today for Polygon, depending on how you draw this as well. We could be looking like very similar to Cardano in terms of the intent of the move. Right now, Polygon looking good for me. I still think this is going to do really well in the upcoming bull market. Still undervalued considering how much a lot of other large caps have moved. Cardano did a 4x and it's larger than Polygon, which is interesting to see. XRP, etc. have all done big moves. Right now, Polygon is just chilling, and in my opinion waiting for an impulse up towards this 125 level. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. bye.